Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm about to be showing you guys how to earn passive income with SushiSwap. Um, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So basically, you want to go and I'm already at SushiSwap, but I'm gonna tell you guys how to get there. It's easy. Just search up SushiSwap. Sushi.com is gonna pop up. Then you go to enter app. And now you're in the SushiSwap exchange. Okay, so that's how you get there. I just want to show y'all there because I just want to show y'all that because I already had it put up on a computer already. So now from this point on, you would want to pick which two cryptocurrencies you will want to stake. So let's go here. We can go to yield. Then we can go to liquidity yield farms. And you can type in whatever cryptocurrency that you're interested in. Maybe they will have it to where you can stake it. But you also want to look and see what kind of APYs they offering. You also want to pay attention to make sure that the coins that are on here are not dump coins, because some of these coins are, they're a little shifty. So with that being said, you just got to do your due diligence on a coin. But like I said, you just want to go ahead and just pick a coin. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just go ahead and put DAI. And DAI, for those of you that don't know, DAI is a stable coin. So it doesn't fluctuate in price. It just pretty much just stays the same. A lot of people, pertaining to DAI and, all the stable coins and stuff, they like to switch over their money, the crypto that they have, they like to switch it over and swap it for a stable coin, because their money won't be moving at that point. People get scared with their money moving so much. Like if you got the money in Ethereum and you want to pretty much hold on to that money and you don't really want it to be dropping or going high or going low, you would pretty much swap it to a DAI coin or a USDC coin. But anyways, back to what I was doing with this video. So let's say we need we're gonna need DAI and we're gonna need Ethereum. So at that point, I already showed you guys how to use the MetaMask wallet and how to switch the money from Coinbase to the MetaMask wallet. So from that point on, you will have that money in your MetaMask wallet. And then it should pop up on the Sushi exchange already, because you want to go ahead and add wallet. My wallet is already added, but it'll be something like right up here saying add wallet, and then you go add wallet. Then you pick the wallet that you have. They have plenty of other wallets. MetaMask is not the only wallet. That's just the one that I use. But anyways, yeah, you would just pick your wallet, sign in, you know what I mean, the regular shit, and then your funds in your wallet will pop up on the Sushi exchange. It'll just be integrated in there, right? So let's say I need Ethereum, so we got that on there, and then I would need DAI. Now for the MetaMask wallet, I don't know about any other wallet, but I know the MetaMask wallet is pretty much Ethereum. You want to buy Ethereum for that wallet to be able to switch it over to other coins. So for example, I would switch it over, like I would swap, let's say I just wanted to swap 0.1, which is $232. I will swap that to my DAI. Let's see. Okay, so now y'all can see it pop up, because that wasn't really a good analogy because it wasn't really popping up to show y'all how it swaps. But this should pop up when it's ready to swap. You just swap that over, push this, confirm swap, and it's gonna pop up on your wallet. And you do have to pay gas fees to swap coins. You know, I would preferably do gas fees. So when you doing transactions, I would really do it at nighttime, because that's when the gas fees are really low. You know, during the day the gas fees be like high as shit, like $30, $50. But anyways, yeah. So you wanna you would do that, and the money would be switched over to DAI, and then you would need to have leftover money in your Ethereum account. So if I'm switching over, this is just for the sake of an example, if I'm switching over $6.09 to DAI, I would need to have $6.09 in Ethereum as well. So once you have an equal amount of money in the two coins, then at that point you could add liquidity, you know, to the Sushi exchange. And basically all that is you're collecting, you know, each time that coin is swapped, each time, you know what I mean, each time that coin is swapped, they'll be giving you a percentage of that. And a lot of people use the SushiSwap exchange, so a lot of money is coming in, out, being swapped, so you'll be able to really capitalize off that money. So at that point you would do that, you would put it in how much you want to liquidate of your Ethereum, and then how much you would want to, it has to be the same for the Ethereum and DAI. All the numbers got to match up. So if I'm putting let's say 0.1, it got to match up. So, and it'll automatically do it for you right here. But yeah, and then you would just, it'll be a button right here saying, you know, liquidate, and boom, you pretty much got it in the Sushi exchange making money for you. Now, how you can check your you know, how the Sushi is going, how you can check this is by going to a website called zapper.fi. Once you reach this website, just type it in exactly like this or whatever on Google. You could even just put zapper.fi, it'll still pop up. But anyways, it'll have a button for you to connect, you know, connect your wallet. And then from the information in your wallet, all that is on here. And so they have, you know, what's going on here. So for example, in my portfolio I have Sushi. I'm staking Sushi and Ethereum, DAI and Ethereum, right? So, and then this is the value, whatever, balance, and it just pretty much shows you, so you don't think that you just got, you know, like, you know what I mean, like you just, like the money is just, you can't see the money. A lot of people want to be able to see their money, which is understandable. So you could also see it here by going back to the Sushi exchange, clicking on pool. You can see what you got going on here as well. Now these are the two that I just showed you that I had staked, right? So yeah, that's pretty much how you do that, and you get to earning you some passive income. That's just making money, you know. So at that point, it's passive income. It's like another dividend stock. If you guys know about dividends, you will know exactly what I'm saying. It just, but I would say this cryptocurrency is a little bit different than the dividend stocks. You know, dividend stocks, you know what you're getting yourself into, because you can see the company's earnings, you can see how much they paying in dividends, whatever. With this, you don't know who's gonna be, which numbers is gonna be fluctuating, as far as like people using money on the exchange, swapping coins, swapping this for that, swapping this for that. You know what I mean? So it's like you really don't know, and it gets bigger, and it you know, the more people doing transactions, that's the more you gonna get paid. So that's why I say it's a little bit different than dividend stocks. But either way, yeah, that's how you go ahead on and earn passive income with the SushiSwap exchange. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up.